Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about classes in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, classes are template for JavaScript objects. So a class defines blueprint for object including their properties and methods. So first of all, take a look at the syntax of the class. So to create one class, first of all we have the class keyword and then the name of the class like person. And now inside the class, first of all we have to have the constructor. So the constructor is a special method that is used to initialize new objects. The constructor gets called whenever we create one new instance of the person class, and the constructor is used to initialize the property of the class. Like in example, the constructor will take name and place as parameter, and this will initialize the person's name. So we're gonna write this dot name equal name, and then we're gonna initialize the place. So this dot place equal place. So here the constructor is taking name and place and initializing the name and place of that person class. So let's now see how we can create one instance of that person object. So to create one instance of the person, like const p1, and then we have to use the new keyword. So we have to write new person, and here inside we have to pass name and place. The name can be Sam and the place can be India. So here we are creating one new instance of the person class and we are passing the name and the place, and this will instantiate the name and place of the person class. So now we can access the name and place of the person object. So we have to use p1.name, and you can see we have the name. Similarly also we can print the place. So you can see we have the name and place logged on to the console. So here the person object having the constructor method. Similarly we can have multiple other methods. Like in example, we can have one method like getName, and this will just simply return the name of that person. I'm gonna create another method getPlace, and this method will simply return the place of that person. And then we can call those method by using the object. So we have to write p1.getName and p1.getPlace, and you can see we have the same output as earlier. So this way we can create one class in JavaScript by using the class keyword followed by the name of the class, and then we can have the constructor to initialize the properties of that class, and the class can have multiple methods. And after that we can create one new instance of that class by using the new keyword, and then we can use the object and we can access the methods and properties of that class. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.